games.
And which is your favorite character in the game?
My favorite game is Roblox.
Roblox. Even my son, he's like 8 years. He's in third standard with DPS. He also plays a lot of Roblox. And do you watch all the movies and all that? English movie?
I sometimes watch movies.
Okay. Your Marvel characters, you like those characters? Spider-Man, Avengers. Which one is your favorite?
Avenger is my favorite.
Avengers, but Avenger is like a bulk of an army. Which one is the favorite of yours?
I like all of the army actually.
Okay, you like all of them. Kabir, wait a minute. Wonderful. Who is the other one out here? Can we have more, Nidhi? I would like to meet all the kids.
Yeah, that is. Kritika will do a brief, you know, Devyanshi.
So we in the red top we have Devyanshi.
Yeah.
Devyanshi, could you please introduce yourself?
Hello everyone. Divyanshi, Jada from Haryana.
Wow, very nice.
So I'm just 9 years old. I am proud of myself become a first coder in my school.
Very nice, excellent. I should clap for that. Very nice, excellent. Who else is there?
They will show you the project, Deepak, right?
Yeah,
They're gonna display their project.
You have to see their project they had made. So who is the first, Kritika?
Anybody can go first. Devyanshi, would you like to?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Share your screen, beta.
She is the youngest one here.
Right.
Yeah. Yeah, Devyanshi, you may share your screen now.
I'm in 4th class of Indian Public School. I'm doing Go-Expert Games course and made a game. Let me show you my game. This is a mind game, or you can say math quiz. If the answer of the question is correct, the score in the scoreboard is increasing by 1. If the answer of the question is wrong, no score is given. Let's check it.
Yeah. 4 plus 1.
Sir, would you like to play this game?
We can answer it. You can type it. Yes, it's 6.
4 plus 1 is equal to 5.
We can answer 6. See what happens.
Okay, so it's between me and Nidhi, right?
Yeah. Who will answer first? 19 plus 8.
27. Oh,
26. Your score is going up. What you can, yes. 18 plus 2. Let us write
20.
that here.
Yes, I will be winning this, Nidhi.
Okay.
That's 18 minus 2 or 2 minus 18? It should be minus 16 then.
Your time is?
6 seconds left.
Setting up. Okay.
18 to 36. What do you say? 34, 31?
35. Thank you. That's great.
Very nice. Excellent. Yeah.
Excellent, Devanshi. You had learned much. I hope you have enjoyed with us.
Divyanshi, you were looking like Amitabh Bachchan of Kaun Banega Crorepati. It's like two of the people are playing and you're making them play. Very nice. Excellent. That's wonderful.
I'm happy to see you working like that, beta. God bless.
Thanks, ma'am.
Congratulations for your completion of this Go Expert, right?
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, beta. God bless you.
Now you may stop your screen share. Who will be going next now?
Aran, mute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Can you see it?
Oh, that's Captain of Real Android, right?
That is. Arhan, can you speak about yourself? Introduce.
So I'm Arhan Ahmed. I'm in a step-by-step school. I'm studying class 6. So I my topic was Go Expert game. So today I'm going to present my project
Where you live, beta?
in Noida.
Okay. So this is a quiz game.
Its a topic is football. Okay.
Yes.
What team does? Let
Lionel
us
Messi.
Messi plays in.
It's a Real Madrid.
Yes, Barcelona, I suppose.
Yeah, it's Barcelona. So
Yes, I win, Deepak.
Chalo, good yaar.
Good job.
Because my son
Good
plays
job.
football.
Very nice.
I've done a good job.
I'm really bad at this, yaar.
Okay, the
You
goalkeeper.
should have made it. You should have made it for a cricket, I guess.
Yes, the goalkeeper of FCB Barcelona. That is a typical question for us. Kritika, you may know that.
Not at all. I am not fond of football at all.
Okay. So,
Is there an option? Phone a
ABC
friend.
है ना, तो
Is there an option? Phone a friend or something?
Yeah, I'm out of that league then.
I can call my son then.
right, the answer is A.
Okay, हमें
Good
guess तो
job.
करने देते. Good job. Let us guess. Okay, captain of Real Madrid. You are fond of football. Okay, let's guess about A.
Wrong answer. Try again.
Okay, you can try again. It's Andres.
It was Sergio Ramos. C option.
Oh, option C.
Okay.
And now it's come back to the starting slide because we did
So
it
the
wrong.
moment you are wrong with the answer, you have to restart the game.
Yeah.
Wow, that's wonderful, yeah.
But you have to fix up this. Aram, technically you have to fix this. Well, we should go beyond that, right? You should
Yeah.
have a message and a right answer. You have done wrong and get to the next answer. I suppose you will try afterwards, right?
Yeah, I will.
That will be great. You are doing that much better. Congratulations. Let's have an applause for Arhan. You should also listen. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay. Let's come up with Amisha.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Amisha Katyal from class 4th. I am 9 years old and I live in Janakpuri. And my school name is Prudence. So I have a ball maze.
Okay, you made a ball maze, right? So are you playing through arrow keys?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
What-
would you like to play it?
We can. What if it touched to a black region?
If you were to touch to the black block, then it will restart.
Okay.
So the ball size also increases or it remains the same?
It remains the same.
Very nice.
It has, I guess, 5 or 6 levels.
I guess you had made it. You should tell us how many levels you have made.
And
Fine.
ma'am,
That is good.
What's the name of the game?
it's ball maze.
Ball maze. Okay, we are proud of you the way you have worked today. Good, Amisha. Have a round of applause for Amisha.
Thank you, ma'am.
Great. Congratulations. Now it comes to Jaskaran.
Oh,
Now we
coronavirus.
I am mighty coronavirus. Do you wash your hands?
Yes,
Do you wear mask?
yes,
Do you follow social distancing?
yes,
Do you wash your vegetables and fruits before eating?
yes,
You can defeat me.
Okay, so all the precautions were taken by the boy. So he said, the corona said that you can defeat me.
Yes. This is perfect. We can defeat coronavirus by taking these all precautions. You all people know that. That's good. Jaskaran, you can make it more attractive by, adding few animation of Corona and the boy, and writing other things, animated things with the objects, right? That could be the improvements in your project. Okay,
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
you have really worked very hard. You have to make it, improve it much more. Right, Deepak? How you find that?
Absolutely, absolutely. I'm so thrilled right now, kids. It is such a wonderful thing that you're doing. Even we started it with Kritika and Go Global, and it was he's so happy that he is right now enrolled in his level 2. And I was just talking to Dr. Nidhi that how is that we can, because after getting into this coding, once you go into the YouTube and go into the future of the coding, you will also get to see that how is the future cars, robotics, the AI, everything required this most important language for the future. Am I right, Nidhi? So this
Bilkul,
particular
right.
language is just like, you talk about English, Hindi, Punjabi, and now this coding is going to be another mandatory language for everyone. I, in fact, think that's I cannot be a part of this group, but I would like to enroll myself again for this particular coding classes. So I think it's today getting into it, and Divyanshi saying she's the first child in the school and the class to get into the coding. Getting into coding will help you stay ahead from most of the kids, right? Doing the classes are very important. Staying physically fit is very, very important, but staying ahead of time is also very, very important. So you
Wow.
all should definitely be a part of this coding. I would urge you all people and your parents that whatever kids have done right now, it's really spectacular, and we should encourage our kids so that they should go for level 2, level 3, even further on, because this is the way ahead. And I think that it's a responsibility for all of you people as well as your parents. How is that we can stay ahead and defeat everyone, just like we have to defeat coronavirus, right?
Yeah,
It was
Deepak,
wonderful.
thank you for the nice words. And it's my dream, to make it. And Kritika is with me from the very start. We had make our dream come true by telling students these type of codings. And you will be good to know that we are coming up with a hardware course. We have a hardware kits, but that was expensive, so we have come up with a very low cost hardware. We will be doing AI for 7-year kids. Even Kabir and all can learn AI. You will be amazed to see when he will be making the programs of image identification and other programs.
That's
Right?
wonderful. Excellent.
And then we will be introducing a Quarky hardware, right? That hardware will be serving as the robotics and AI programs. Kids will connect to the hardware with this coding. So there will be excitement for them.
So Kritika has taken over as a favorite student from DPS regular teachers now. And I think that this is another big thing that, the shift of the children is moving regular from the regular school also to the, upgrading themselves to a next level. So
Yeah.
wonderful, yeah. And it was seriously encouraging. I got the energy for the day. And thank you very much. I loved this particular session of mine. I would love to be a part of
But
this in
two,
the future.
two kids are left. You have
Yeah,
to be
right. 2 kids are left.
Oh, okay. So
you have to spare 5 more minutes.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am, I'm just sharing.
Yeah, bache. Mishika, you have to introduce yourself also.
You must learn from the mistakes of the other.
Yeah,
Learn
that
from
is
him.
the.
Oh, the mistake of other is all the people who are not doing coding. Okay.
Mishika, in which school you are studying?
Ma'am, I study in Dr. Graham's homes,
Okay.
Kalimpong.
Okay. Okay, you have made a quiz?
No, ma'am, I've made like my sprite will say tables, whichever table you all want.
Okay, okay. So let's start with it.
And there's timing also.
Okay, what table you want to know? Tell me, Deepak.
Whichever table, we can write any table, like if I write 11, it will give me 11 as my table.
Wow. Let's do it with 11 then.
11 is
It's
easy.
quick. That's quick.
Yes.
And it will tell only till 10.
Okay. So let's do 148.
148.
Into 10.
So that's 1480.
Yeah.
Oh. Is 148?
Yeah, that is okay.
Wow, that's amazing. You should join me in the office. I want all these calculations on a regular basis.
Good, Mishika.
Thanks, Mishika. That was really nice. And the colors of the house is also very, very nice.
You have just mastered that, right? Congratulations. Let's have an applause for Mishika.
Thank you, ma'am.
Great, beta. Congratulations.
Good evening, everyone.
Yeah.
I am Anvita Singh Bhadoria. I study in St. Xavier Grade Senior Secondary School, Bhopal. I'm of 10 years old, and during this pandemic, I decided to take an online course on programming with Go Global Ways. I would like to thank Kritika ma'am because she made coding fun and interesting. Now, I would like to show you my project.
Alright. It's a mermaid, right?
Yes.
With the angel.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I want to use all the blocks. So I made a combo pack here.
Mm-hmm. You have to share it again, beta.
Yes. Just a minute, ma'am.
Yeah, beta. Sure.
Ma'am, actually her mouse is going on the stop sharing button.
Mm. You have to unmute yourself, Viche.
Ma'am, is it visible now?
Yeah,
Yes,
beta.
that's
It's visible.
Hello. Welcome to my creation. Click the start button to start.
So first of all, we have to click the start button.
Right.
So we are getting three options here, that is Transo, Games and Calculator. So first let's start with Transo.
Okay, you have made 3 applications in the one, right?
Now first of all, we have to write the language in which we have to translate the word. So I'm writing French here.
Okay. Deepak, you know French?
I really don't know. I just know how to make a French cut beard.
Now, actually, I know French.
Okay. So what we say hello in French?
I also know a French omelette and a French fries. Another two additional things.
That we used to have. But you know what to say hello in French.
Salut.
So with the social distancing, namaste is quite in nowadays, right, kids?
But namaste.
Now we have to write the word which we have to translate in French.
Right,
Okay.
hello.
Oh, it's a dictionary that you have made.
It's a translator.
Oh, okay, yeah, wonderful. So
Bonjour.
Okay, Toby will tell bonjour. Yeah, I know. I had heard that. Bonjour.
thank you.
Now to go back, we have to click this home button.
Okay.
Now let's go to games.
Yeah.
I have included 3 games here: Headball, Helpfly, and ClickGo. Let's start with ClickGo.
And she had made 6 projects in one, right?
The entire package.
Yes, that is very good. She has done lots of hard work and put in lots of hard work in it.
Yeah, seems to be very nice.
So would you like to play these games?
Yeah, you can click any of them.
So we are going to start ClickGo. Here we have to click these 3 things, and our score will increase. I have
Okay.
clicked 1 time, so the score will increase by 1.
So you have to click it how many times?
As much as you can.
So if you click this diamond, chalo, click the blue one. So what happens after that?
The score will increase here.
So what will we get?
Malab, this is a kind of shooter game, you know. You have to click,
Okay.
and they are moving around, and you have to click the objects, and you will get a score, max score.
Yes,
Right.
ma'am.
Very nice.
Good. That is a creativity, you know, girlish kind of work, so that we have a mermaid and we have a fairy.
We can let's open this head ball. The batter, and we have to hit ball.
Wow, that's wonderful.
Oh, that is cricket.
No, it's a baseball.
I thought that
Score will increase accordingly here.
Okay, you can increase the speed also?
We have to change the coding here.
Okay, that's wonderful, yeah.
Coders can do anything, you know. There is nothing impossible in coding.
So what's happening with the kitty here?
We need to collect these hearts, and the score will increase according to the size of the heart.
Means Kitty will collect the hearts.
Yes.
Okay. You are moving Kitty with the arrow keys, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It's a heart catching game.
Yes. And here we also have a calculator.
Right. Means all the arithmetic operations you had learned in it.
Yes.
To use calculator, you should know some instructions. To add, press A. To subtract, press S. To multiply, press M. To divide, press D.
Now, if you will press A, she will ask us the first number. Can you tell me the first number which we should enter?
Yeah.
Can be 7?
27.
7, yeah. Okay, 27.
Okay. Next number?
31.
Okay.
27 plus 31 equals 58.
Oh.
That's good.
If you will press D, she will ask again she will ask the first number.
Right.
So which number?
It can be 51.
Okay. Then
And 49.
Here comes the answer.
5149 equals 1.04081632653066123.
What is this?
Division
This
of
is the answer.
Division.
division.
It's a
51
division.
divided
Actually,
by
it was the
40.
division.
Okay.
It's a
I
division.
thought I'm going to make it simple. 49 plus 51 is going to be 100.
But you have pressed D, you know. She has pressed
It
D.
was division.
Division. Great, Anvita. That's a good job. You have put all the coding, explored all the things you have learned in the course. I'm happy to see the project that you have.
Yeah, very proud. Very proud.
That is a good project.
Thank
We
you,
all
ma'am.
should have an applause. Great. So I suppose everyone has done that, right?
Ma'am, actually, I have to tell you something.
Okay, yeah.
Ma'am, I made the project today and I was just checking it and it was deleted. So I've completed it 75%. There is one more thing in it.
Okay. We can see it again, right? Not a problem. You can connect it. In the next session, you can also join us again.
Okay.
Right?
Ma'am, can I tell it to you manually?
Yeah, sure, beta. You're most welcome.
Ma'am, it is the haunt one.
Oh.
Ma'am,
Like,
ma'am, the sprite Gobo will come on the screen and whatever you will type, it will speak the same. But if you will do it at 3 a.m., it will just speak devil's hour, 3 a.m. devil's hour. And it will just change to a devil.
oh,
It will
you,
change into a devil.
that is a very good concept.
That's innovative.
Yeah.
You know, you
We
call
will-
it a graveyard shift when you are working in the office.
We will be
So,
scared.
yeah, it's normally called a graveyard shift because at 3 o'clock, your devil also comes and you find all the haunting things coming across to you.
I suppose. Girls are very keen to do that things, you know, haunting and this all. ऐसा है Anvita?
Yes, ma'am. I am interested in
Nita, I
that.
really like the way you have designed it. Yeah, very nice. I
Thank
think
you,
that,
sir.
and I got really so many ideas in this, Nidhi. That's amazing.
Great. We are happy to have you here with us. You have spared a good time and it's a quality time you have input for the kids. You know, it's a good job to appreciate our little coders and innovators.
But I have picked up more on the learning side of it because all these kids have actually inspired me to do something more now. And I really think that I will be applying so many new things in my own work, like, my daily routine of the job. And thank you really for inspiring because this is the future, as I said earlier. And I think that I could correlate it the way, things are going to move ahead. You cannot avoid it. So you guys have just started at the right time. And thanks, Doctor, for having me here and starting this wonderful project. Looking forward for many more levels in this.
Great. We will be coming
Great.
up with all new things.
Can I
Thank
take
you.
your leave, guys? Chalo, thank you very much.
And thank you, Deepak. Okay,
Guys,
bye, kids.
all the best. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, sir.
Bye, beta. God bless you all.
Bye, sir.
Bye, ma'am.